Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss about the mountains and type of mountains. And last class we have discussed about the landforms of the earth. Now we are going to discuss the mountains and types of mountains. Now see mountains. A mountains is any natural elevation of the earth surface. It is considerable than the surrounding area. It has raised and sharply pointed tips called peaks. Okay. So the mountain is a place you can see the raised ground of the surface area. Raised ground of the surface area means surrounding there you can see the flat area, but a place which is raised of the normal ground is called mountains. ओके सो ऐसा प्लेस जो उठा हुआ होता है नॉर्मल भागों से उसको माउंटेन्स कहते हैं. एंड टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन्स इज कॉल्ड पिक. Okay, this top of the mountain is called peak. And another thing is suppose this is a mountains and it looks like and it connects another mountains, a small mountains, so this area called raised. Okay, so mountain is a raised ground, you can say that. Okay, so now see the types of mountains. Types of mountain, there are three types of mountains basically. First one is a flood mountains, formed to due the flooding of the earth crust. Flood mountains is a mountains which made by when two tectonic plates hitting each other. Hitting each other. See, when two tectonic plates are pushed towards each other, the land between them switched and they thrown off in the series of massive faults. Okay, when two tectonic plates hitting each other, it becomes like that. After hitting, it becomes like that after hitting. That is called mountain. Okay, that is called mountain. And it means flood mountains formed when two tectonic plates hitting each other. Okay, now see some major flood mountains are like the Himalayan mountains, Alp mountains, Aravalli mountains, the Appalachian mountains, Ural mountains. Okay, these are the some major flood mountains. Now second one is a volcanic mountains. So volcanic mountains formed due to volcanic activities. And in this mountain you can see that magma come out. Magma come out from it. Volcanoes are opening in the earth crust through the which magma or hot molten rocks come out. So now you can see that this is magma and it come out from it. After come out, it becomes smoke and ash. Okay, and this is called lava. This is called lava. Which one is a come out from this mountain? So this is called volcanic mountains. Now third and last one is a block mountains. Okay, mountains created when a large area are broken and displaced vertically. Okay, so these mountains made by when a place broken or a piece of place come down so that is it become a block mountains. ओके, सो ऐसा प्लेस जो नॉर्मल रहता है और वो कुछ एरिया नीचे खिसक जाता है उसको बोलते हैं ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स. I hope you all understood what is mountains and types of mountains. Okay, so today we studied mountains and types of mountains, and next class we will continue next topic. Okay, till then, thank you.